Don't get lost. I'm telling you right now, don't get lost in this world. Don't get lost. If you feel distraught, down and out, depressed, low, don't get lost. Please. Don't get lost. You don't have nobody to talk to because it's a solo mission for you. Just weather the storm. It's going to pass, I promise. But the key is, when you have another up time, you got to be on executing something. Sometimes you might feel sluggish when you're down and you're lost. Set you an alarm clock at some time of the day. Once that thing goes off, let it remind you that you are somebody. Remember that, then try and be active. Work on something. Weather the storm. Let it pass, and when it passes, then you got to execute. And try to prevent it from happening again, which is not realistic, because that's the way life goes. It'll kick you right in your privates and leave you right flat on your back. Don't get lost, though. Don't get lost. No matter what they say. No matter what nobody tell you, don't get lost. Don't get lost, okay? Don't get lost. All right, I love you.